In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transcribe in Elevenlabs. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Elevenlabs and press enter. Look for the official Elevenlabs website in the results and click through. If you're ever unsure, the official site clearly mentions Elevenlabs and their AI audio tools on the homepage. Once you're in, give the page a moment to load so all tools appear. From the main dashboard or navigation, find the speech-to-text section and select it. This is the area dedicated to turning spoken audio into written text. If you're prompted to sign in, just follow the on-screen instructions. A logged-in session ensures your files are processed and saved correctly. Inside speech-to-text, choose Transcribe Files. This opens the workspace where you'll add your audio or video. Before you upload, a quick tip: smoother audio produces more accurate results. If possible, use files recorded in a quiet environment and avoid very low bit rates. Also, keep an eye on file size. Larger files will take longer to process. Now upload a file. You can select one from your computer or drag and drop it into the upload area if you see that option. Double check that you picked the correct file, especially if you're working with multiple versions. When you're ready, click Upload Files to start the transcription. Keep the browser tab open while it processes. Processing time varies depending on length and quality, so don't worry if it takes a minute for longer recordings. Most common formats like MP3, WAV, and MP4 are typically supported. If a file fails to upload, convert it to a standard format and try again. A stable internet connection helps avoid interruptions. When the transcription is finished, you'll see the results on screen. Scroll through the text and scan for names, numbers, and words and acronyms. These are the most common places small errors can appear. Play short sections of the original audio if available to confirm tricky words. For a clean transcript, correct minor typos as you review. If you plan to share the text, consider adding speaker labels and paragraph breaks so it's easier to read, especially for meetings or interviews. Once you're satisfied, copy the text to your Notes app or document and save your work. That's the entire flow. Google Elevenlabs, open speech to text. Select Transcribe Files, upload your recording, click Upload Files, and review the results. With these steps, you can reliably turn your audio into accurate, readable text in just a few minutes.